If you want to know how to cut in Krita, this video will show you two simple methods you can use right away. Whether you want to remove part of an image, move artwork to a new layer, or work non-destructively, Krita gives you a fast and flexible way to do it. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's start with the first method, which is the standard cut and paste workflow. This is the destructive method, which means the selected pixels are removed from the current layer. It is useful when you want to take part of an image and move it somewhere else, or separate a section of your artwork manually. First, go to the Layers docker and click the layer you want to work on. This is very important because Krita will only cut from the active layer. If the wrong layer is selected, you may end up cutting the wrong part of your project. Next, choose a selection tool from the toolbar. You can use the rectangle selection tool if you want to cut a clean, straight-edged area, or the freehand selection tool if you need a more custom shape. Once you have the tool selected, drag around the area you want to cut. Make sure your selection fully covers the part you want to remove. After the selection is ready, go to the top menu bar, click Edit, and then choose Cut. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+X, which is much faster if you do this often. When you cut the selection, Krita removes it from the current layer and copies it to your clipboard. If you want to place that cut content onto its own new layer, you can now go back to the Edit menu and click Paste, or simply use Ctrl+V. This will paste the cut content back into the document, usually onto a new floating selection or new layer, depending on how your workspace is set up. This is a great way to isolate an object and work with it separately. Now let's move to the second method, which is the non-destructive option. This one is especially useful if you want to cut a selection out of a layer and instantly move it to a new layer in just one step. It saves time and keeps your workflow cleaner. Again, start by selecting the source layer in the Layers docker, then use any selection tool to define the area you want to move. Just like before, the selection needs to surround the exact part you want to cut. Once the selection is active, go to the top menu bar and click Layer. From there, hover over New and then choose New Layer via Cut. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+J. This is the fastest way to split your selected pixels into a separate layer while removing them from the original one. Krita will instantly create a brand new layer containing the cut selection, while the original layer no longer has that part in it. This is really helpful for editing characters, objects, or design elements without manually copying and pasting each time. If you're working on detailed artwork, this method is usually the better choice because it keeps your edits organized. You can move the new layer around, transform it, hide it, or adjust it independently from the original artwork. That makes it much easier to refine your composition later. So to quickly recap, if you want the classic cut method, use Edit, Cut, and then Paste if needed. If you want a faster and cleaner workflow, use Layer, New Layer via Cut. Both methods are easy once you know where to find them, and both can save you a lot of time inside Krita. If this video helped you learn how to cut in Krita, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.